All right, folks, so welcome to the Juice Lab. What we're going to be doing is taking some different juices. So our first juice is orange juice, and we're going to try to determine which juice is the most acidic. So to do that, we're going to be taking about 10 milliliters of juice. You can see I've got a little bit more in here, but it's not going to make a big difference. Take about 10 milliliters of juice, and I'm going to dump it in this with 50 milliliters of water, and then I'm going to mix it together. Then what I'm going to add to that is a little bit of indicator. This indicator is called phenolphthalein. I'll talk more about that in a second. And then this is sodium hydroxide. I'm going to be adding sodium hydroxide. Eventually what's going to happen is when I add enough sodium hydroxide to this solution, it's going to change colors. It's going to change to like a pink. Now, phenolphthalein is an acid and a base, and what happens is when the solution becomes basic enough, it'll change color to a bright pink, and so that will kind of change the whole color of the solution. And so that's how we'll be able to tell when all of the acid in the solution has been neutralized, because all the acid will have reacted with that NaOH. Okay, so I've got my solution kind of mixed together, right? It's orange juice that's just been diluted with water. Let's add 3 drops of phenolphthalein. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's mix that in. Okay, and then what I'm going to be doing here is adding NaOH. You count along with me how many drops you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, swirl it around. No color change yet. All right. Let's give another dropper full. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. Here, maybe if I turn it like this. But you should kind of see there's like a dark spot kind of on the top there where that NaOH is. And that's because the phenolphthalein has changed colors there. But then once that NaOH reacts with the rest of the acid in the solution, it goes back to normal. Okay? Kind of lost count. I think we were at 20. If not, you count along. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh, and now we can see the color change. So maybe about 31. I kind of lost count there in the in between the second and third dropper full, so you might have to go back and count how many there actually were. I got 11 after the second dropper full, so whatever I was at after the second dropper full, at 11.